Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that HAL is dedicatedly working on the combat air teaming system, which would help pilots and defense forces to destroy high value enemy targets by making these systems fight along the Indian Air Force fighters like Tejas Mark 1A and Jaguar. These systems will consist of a manned aircraft which is going to act as a mothership of the system and a set of swarming unmanned aerial vehicles and unmanned combat aerial vehicles governed by the mothership aircraft. We already spoke about the Warrior unmanned wingman drone, the Hunter air-launched standoff cruise missile, and Alpha S air-launched swarm drone system. But this video is all about the CATS optionally manned combat aircraft and CATS high altitude long endurance. Both CATS OMCA and CATS HALE are the two new components in the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's proposed combat air teaming system that the company is developing along with new space research and technologies. These two new components of the combat air teaming system will help the Indian Air Force with a robust and futuristic deep penetration attack system. As per the defense sources, the CATS OMCA will help in converting the obsolete fighter jets into drones. The fighters which match this category are MiG-21, MiG-27 and Kiran intermediate jet trainers. This is indeed a good idea since such obsolete planes can be used in destroying the enemy air defenses, and not only that, it can also be used to get details about the hidden air defense system positioning of the enemy. Coming to CATS HALE, which is high altitude long endurance, it seems to be a jet powered high speed multi-mission remotely piloted aircraft system that can perform wide area surveillance, time sensitive strike missions over land or sea, and it can operate at an altitude over 50,000 feet with 20 plus hours of endurance. The deadline set by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to make these components a reliable and a realistic one in the combat environment is 2025 tentatively. A team of high expertise members are putting all their efforts into this particular project to get these things achieved. So let's expect Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to make this a reality soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.